concert soon, and guess what? We've got some new instruments. How exciting, Oggy. Yes, they make loads of amazing sounds. Can't wait to hear them. See you all later at Dragon Mountain. Oh.
I really like this Bobby glockenspiel. Listen, what do you think it sounds like?
That sounded very, how can I describe it? Very tinkly, Bobby.
Tinkly? No, you're wrong, Oggy. It sounded soft and silvery. Listen.
No, it was tinkly.
Soft and silvery.
Tinkly.
Hey, you two. What do you think of my new bobby harp?
Oh.
That was bobbing beautiful, Nib. And, well, wonderfully watery.
Watery? No, you're wrong, Bobin. It sounded sparkly.
It was definitely watery.
Sparkly.
Watery.
Sparkly.
Oh, dear. What sounds can you make on your bobby bass drum, Oggy?
Well, what do you think?
Wow! I think that sounded really exciting and thumpy.
Thanks, Nib.
How about you, Bobby?
I think it just sounded loud.
Oh. Well, I think we've got some great sounds for our new song.
I know. I think the dragons will love it.
Well, I'm not going to the concert if Oggy keeps arguing and saying I'm wrong.
Me? You said I was wrong too.
There you go again.
You started it.
No, you did.
You.
Oh, dear. I wish I knew how to stop Oggy and Bobin arguing.
There are things you need to see, so you should take a look through me.
Listen to these musical instruments.
Oh, they're playing our Bobinogs tune.
This is a violin. Sometimes it makes high soaring sounds. And this double bass can make deep, low sounds. Sometimes music can be fast and speedy, like this music played on a harp.
I wish I could play my bobby harp like that.
But music can be slow and steady, like this tune on the trombone. The children think this music sounds
slow and friendly. Calm and smooth. It's shiny music.
These instruments can play all kinds of music together. But how do the children think this music sounds?
Fizzy and bubbly. Light and fast. Skippy and jiggly. Happy and footy tappy. Lots of fun.
There's a glockenspiel just like mine.
Twinkly and sparkly.
Oh.
Like a fairy dancing.
Oh, I love that.
There's my bobby bass drum.
Booming.
Ooh.
Noisy. Angry and loud.
Oh,
Like a giant.
yeah. So you see, there are many different ways to describe music, and there is no right or wrong answer.
Thanks, Bobinoculars.
Now I've shown you what to do, so the rest is up to you.
Bobintastic! That's given me lots more ideas.
Me too. There are so many words you can use to describe music.
Yes, and there's no right or wrong answer. It's how you feel the music sounds.
Oggy, if you think my Bobby Glockenspiel sounded tinkly, that's fine by me. I'm sorry for arguing.
I'm sorry too, Bobin. Thing is, we were both right. Come on, there's only one thing to do.
What?
Put some super sounds together to make a Bobintastic new song for the concert.
Well, I think this music is like water glistening in a pool.
A beautiful blue pool.
Or maybe it's gorgeous green. Magic map, magic map. Take us to
Dragon Mountain!
Look!
Oh, I wonder what the dragons will think of our music.
Dragons and Dragonettes, by popular demand, and with some exciting new instruments and sensational sounds, the Bobinogs!
When you hear the music play, think of what you'd like to say.
To me, it's water glistening in a pool, but is it green or sparkling white? Happy daytime or dark night? Is it steaming hot or calm and cool?
Beautiful blue!
Clear and cool. Sparkling.
Wishy and watery.
When you hear the music play, think of words you'd like to say.
To me it sounds like dragon stamping feet, but are they strong or feather light? Fast and furious, dull or bright? Is it fierce and scary, or sugary sweet?
Fierce and scary.
Sugary sweet like us.
Lovely and loud!
When you hear the music play, think of words you'd like to say.
To me it sounds like a lullaby, but is it high or very low? Soft or loud, fast or slow?
Is this music soft and gentle?
Soft and gentle, cuddly animal.
They're sleepy, dragon soft. Sparkly, watery, friendly, gentle.
It sounded sensational.